Hey guys, I'm super excited to share with you my unboxing of a little bit of something I got from Beautylish today, which is the Jawbreaker palette, mini and large, and the Strawberry Crush liquid lips. So I'm super excited. I ordered these on Friday, not thinking they would be in stock, but I ordered them Friday and it is Monday and I got them, so kudos to them. So we are going to open up the box to show you how nicely wrapped it is. This is my first experience purchasing with Beautylish. I normally order directly from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, but unfortunately they were sold out and these were available. So let me get it kind of open slowly here. Oh goodness. So many little things. Well, the first thing I got was this little black bag. Now, maybe this is something normal for Beautylish people, but yeah, they're just little samples, nothing big. Look at this little packaging here. We got a little, I'm assuming this is the mini palette, so let's give it an open here. So well packaged. I mean, if they're broken, I would be very surprised, because this is like bubble wrapped and everything. I love this kind of like acid chartreuse packaging that we have here. Little box. I watched the launch video and I was super excited. Like, there's just so many options to choose from. And here we are, the Mini Breaker Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette. Getting you all those glorious shades. There you go. Wonderful. Love that. All right, here we have the liquid lip. Save the pièce de résistance for very last. I have to say, this is kind of abnormal for me. I'm used to unboxing things on the toilet, believe it or not. Probably embarrassing to say, but you know, coming home from work, sometimes you don't want to wait, you gotta go, unboxing your things, enjoying them while you're seated comfortably. But here is the Strawberry Crush liquid lip, and, oh, that was upside down. There you go. And let me go ahead and unbox it. I'm very excited for this. I don't normally get a lot of red or like kind of bright lipsticks, but yeah, you can kind of see the color there. Oh, the little sticker, gorgeous. All right, I'm super excited. All right, I'm getting used to this with the paper. Oh, even through the bubble wrap. So gorgeous. I don't usually keep the unicartons, but I might this time around. We'll see. Maybe using a little art. I guess it's super important in terms of like deciding or deciphering which is a pigment, which is a shadow, to keep the unicarton if that's something that you're sensitive about, or if you would like to keep a record of. Oh, it's textured. Just like the Thirsty palette last year, we have a textured hot pink with kind of like foiled textures on it. Okay. Oh wow, yeah. I will say that watching them on YouTube videos really doesn't do it justice to the colors there. Get a nice good look at them. Oh yeah. Look at those. You can see the mattes, the shimmers. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, the Jawbreaker. See, yeah, the Jawbreaker shade is definitely a lot different in person. Very exciting. Can't wait to try a look with these. I will be doing that if you stick around, and I will be doing my best to incorporate a lot of fun colors in there. But thanks for joining me while I unboxed it, and stay tuned for the look.